In this video, we will discuss how to change rational functions in a general form. Let's begin with what we already know. We know that the general form is f of x equals a over x minus h plus k, where the horizontal asymptote is at y equals k, the vertical asymptote is at x equals h, and h comma k is the intersection of the asymptotes. Also, we know that in this general form, we can describe the transformations. A is the stretch, compression, or reflection. K is the vertical translation. And H is the horizontal translation. Using this knowledge about transformations, when we are given a graph, it is easier to write the rational function in general form and vice versa. Now, what if we are given a rational function such as f of x equals 2x minus 9 over x minus 5, and we are asked to describe the transformations? We can use our knowledge in division to rewrite f of x equals 2x minus 9 over x minus 5 in the form f of x equals q of x plus r of x over d of x, or f of x equals k plus a over x minus h. We must recognize here that q of x is the quotient, r of x is the remainder, and d of x is the divisor. We must also recognize here the corresponding variables for each transformations. K corresponds to q of x, or the quotient. A corresponds to r of x, or the remainder. X minus h corresponds to d of x, or the divisor. So let us rewrite f of x equals 2x minus 9 over x minus 5 in the form f of x equals q of x plus r of x over d of x using division. So let's divide 2x minus 9 by x minus 5. Dividing the first terms of both the dividend and the divisor, 2x divided by x will have 2. That quotient will be multiplied to each term in the divisor. 2 times x and 2 times negative 5 will have 2x minus 10. Subtracting it, we'll have a remainder of 1. Writing the result in the form of f of x equals q of x plus r of x over d of x, we'll have 2 plus 1 over x minus 5, or 1 over x minus 5 plus 2 by commutative property of addition. Now, sketching the graph of the original rational function, which we can rewrite as f of x equals 1 over x minus 5 plus 2, we'll have a vertical asymptote at x equals positive 5 and a horizontal asymptote at y equals positive 2. Now let's have another example. Use the division to rewrite the given equation in the form of f of x equals q of x plus r of x over d of x. Let's have x plus 4 divided by x plus 3. Using the division, let's divide x plus 4 and x plus 3. Dividing the first terms of the dividend and the divisor, we'll have 1. And then 1 times x and 1 times 3, we'll have x plus 3. Performing the subtraction, we'll have a remainder of 1. Rewriting the result into the general form, we'll have f of x equals 1 plus 1 over x plus 3, or 1 over x plus 3 plus 1. Sketching the graph, we'll have the vertical asymptote at x equals negative 3 and the horizontal asymptote at y equals positive 1. To summarize, to rewrite a rational function into the general form, we use our knowledge in division and recognize that q of x is the quotient, r of x is the remainder, and d of x is the divisor.